Alright, so a lot of people are confused right now with Ryzen 555IR or 50 motherboard or even older AM4 boards because nobody wants to waste money and end up with a black screen. So I decided to test it myself. I bought the Ryzen 555IR just to see if it actually works or not before you upgrade your CPU. Watch this video till the end so you don't take any risks. So first, quick unboxing. I got this from Amazon for around 8,000 rupees or about $86. This is a 6-core 12-thread processor based on Zen 3. Base clock is 3.6 GHz and boost up to 4.2 GHz, 16 megabytes L3 cache and 65 watt TDP. Now for the test setup, I am using an ASRock B450 motherboard and GPU is RX 6600. So let's install the CPU, put it in the socket, install the cooler, everything done. Now let's power it on. So PC turns on, RGB lights are on, everything looks normal, and after a few seconds we get this message. New CPU installed, press Y to reset FTPM. So just press Y, then I go into BIOS by pressing delete key, and as you can see the processor is detected perfectly. Ryzen 55500 is showing. So yes, it works, but there is one important thing. You must have the latest BIOS. If your BIOS is updated, it will work without any issue. I also tested this on another B450 motherboard. This time Gigabyte. At first it worked fine, booted into Windows, everything normal. But after shutting down and turning it back on, boom, black screen, no display at all, and the reason was simple, the BIOS was too old. So if that happens, you need an older CPU to boot again and update the BIOS. So what you should do, if your system boots successfully, update the BIOS immediately. Now how to update BIOS? Go to your motherboard website, search your motherboard model, go to support section, then BIOS, download the latest version. Extract the file, put it into a USB pen drive, restart your PC, enter BIOS. OpenQ flash or instant flash depending on your board. Select the BIOS file and start update. One important thing, make sure power does not go off during update. Otherwise your motherboard can be dead. After updating BIOS, everything works perfectly, no black screen, no issue. So final answer, yes, Ryzen 55500 and even 600 works on B450. Even A320 can work, but only if BIOS is updated. So don't skip that step. That's it for this video.